The desert color explore off-road trailer, and we will go through the exterior, the overlook of this trailer, and then we'll go through the interior and the exterior. So let's take a look at the overlook of the exterior. I will walk around and then we have focus on the inside. So you will see the exterior. Okay, this is very unique, customized desert off-roading for the US customer, DOT certified. The turn signal. Alright, let's go inside. So first things, we check the door, and the door is also a customized work. Those are the aluminum work with a mesh here, and also here you see this is the combination lock, and you can using the digital here, and also you can lock in physically. The door opening way is China domestic mode. The US standard, they can also open it at the right side, so you can look at the picture. Let's take a look at the interior. This is the interior, the brand new interior with a table in the middle. And this table we are upgraded, so you can take a look. Let's go with my camera, and you can take a look from here. In the middle we have a table. You can manually lift this table, and the tools is on the table here. This table is bigger than the previous one, and also the induction cooker is in this side. You can see here. So we can take a look from here. From this way, you can see here the steel with galvanized, with zinc plated. It has a better corrosion resistance. You see, we have all the mattresses ready on this camper, and this is the white ceiling here. We are using the high density lino material as the roof for the waterproof. The aluminum with anodized and sandblasting makes a difference of the inside, very shiny here. So follow my camera here. And also the mattress is ready on the camper. The mattress is a foam with kneaded material, which is long last and easy to clean. So here we have a tools. You can put some tools inside these things, which is a customer's request and customer work. So here, let's see the window here. The blend and the bug proof. You can using it for bug proof and privacy protection. Two sides window in 12-volt air conditioner, which is branded machine, very unique with our brand Njstar. And this is a monoxide alarm, 3 stainless hooks, and this one is the original wood, which makes a difference. And let's take a look at the toilet. So let's take a look at the toilet. So this is the ceiling, and here is the thing. You can fix the faucet here. And let's take a look at the we have a toilet plate. You can placing it down here, putting some things on top of the table. And this cassette toilet, it can turn, so the cassette toilet will put in use very easily. And there is a stainless sink, and this faucet, it's easily retractable. It can produce hot and cold water by using the water plumbing system. And those are the aluminum anodized, and those are aluminum material. But the floor of the restroom is the stainless, and you can see the quantity of there. It's the brushed stainless. Those are the stainless material. So now let's take a look at the children's bed. So this is the children's bed. It can sleep 2 children there. and you can see here. And also the customer is customized the 2 drawers above the refrigerator. One drawer, the other one. So we can fully draw it out. So you can see how big this drawer is. So we are increase some space of the trailer inside. So this is a slide out version refrigerator, 40 liters capacity. Dual function, freeze and fridge function. And let's have a briefly introduction for the control panel here. All right, let's take a look at the control panel right now. So this is the control panel. MP5 music system, cooling counter. It can detect the abnormal problem for the solar panel. 450 watt solar panel on top of the roof. Secret lighter, and this is a water plumbing system, and a 3000 watt inverter. Plateau version diesel heater, this one. USB charging port. There are 4 USB charging port. This is 2, and the other 2 is there. So we can zoom in. You can see it's here. And also there is a household electricity plug over there. So let's come back to this area. And this is for the refrigerator. And this is a signal roll eye and a water pump. Household electricity, the international standard for US. And you can checking how many water that you left on the water tank. The water tank is underneath the trailer. 140 liters capacity fresh water tank. 2 water tanks connected. So the battery is almost run out, which is closing the night inside. And also here you see we are using the teak floor here, the marine standard teak floor. And the ground clearance of this trailer is 40 centimeters. And this is the aluminum material. Now let's take a look at the slide out kitchen right now. So this is the stainless slide out kitchen. And here you can put a plate here, stainless material, and LED lighting here. And the faucet, it can produce hot and cold water. At the same time, you can see hot and cold. And there is a plastic sink, and the push-up drawer, stainless material. You can put some things inside. And those are the spicy bottles, the glass spicy bottles. You can see here. So you don't need to buy extra. And this one is a bigger one. So I will take out very carefully. So stainless. So this is the stainless, and this is the aluminum anodized. So there is a life. And this one is the cooker. Here is a burner here. So you can connect the propane in front of the toolbox. A 10 kilogram propane tank can be installed in front of the toolbox here. So here we can take a picture here. All right, this is very unique. And let's take a look at the front. This is the front. The customer is using a electric direction wheel. It can move the trailer automatically while using it. And here is a ZD036 off-road coupler. It can move up and down. So this is a very safe off-road coupler here. 2 safety chains hand in front of the front car, and this is the, so here you see this is a 7-pin for front car for US standard, and Anderson plug here. So manual brake. So we are using the electric brake. By using the 7-pin connector, you can connect the signals in front of the trailer and braking simultaneously for the front car and the rear trailer. So there's a 1000 jack here. And let's take a look at the chassis. So the chassis, we are using Q345 high strength steel with hot dip galvanized and a spray painted on the surface. So we have two protection, 75 years lifespan for the chassis. And let's take a look at the chassis. So this is the chassis, and you can see the water tank is underneath the trailer. We have two water tanks connected each other, 140 liters capacity. And also we are using the independent suspension system I will introduce you. So here, from this angle, you can see the children's tent very easily here. And you can take a whole picture from here. So let's see this one. Here this way, you're filling the water here. And this is a big toolbox. And there is a little fire extinguisher here. And I will put things and wires and tools inside this toolbox here. 80 liters capacity for this toolbox. And this is a water plumbing system. You can using the water plumbing system even in the winter season, like snowy days. It will using hot water still. And there's a faucet here. And let's take a look at this side. So this, you can take things out from this angle. And let's take a whole picture from this angle. So here, this way. And this is the ventilation for the restroom. So the air conditioner installed here. And those are the stainless. You can see stainless material. And also we can take a look at this X for the flat top roof. And this is a steel with the zinc plated. It's not a thin one, it's a thick one. And the stainless, this is stainless, and those are the stainless material. So the flat top is really unique. 2 meters standing straight inside. All right, let's take a look at this hatch. So the air conditioner compressor and a plateau version diesel heater here. And you still have space for a battery customization of your own or some tools placed inside. So our brand, Explore overlanding trailer. And here, let's take a look at the side. And the independent suspension system. So you can see a heavy duty chassis and a big spring here, stripes, twin absorbers for stabilize of the trailer. Electric brake. You can see the wire of this trailer. And also the wheel, aluminum wheel of the trailer is updated. So this one is a US standard. The side light, the front is yellow and the rear is red. In line with the US standard. Okay, let's take a look at the rear of the trailer. This is the rear of the trailer. You can take a whole picture from this angle, which is very unique. 20 liters toolbox at one side. It is enclosed design. It has a better waterproof and dustproof ability. This is a real luggage rack. In previous, we can put a real luggage cover here, but this is an option for the customer. A full-size spare tire at the rear. The turn signal for the US is red, so this is very special. And let's take a look at this side. We have a pair of the support bag at the rear, so you can adjust the height of the support bag when you are parking in the base camp or wildlife. And there is a 10 liters diesel oil tank. You can using the plateau version diesel heater for almost 10 hours with the full oil added, filled. And also there is an air conditioner fan here. The license plate here. License plate, we have LED here, you can see. And the very special things is customer customize a pair of the hooks at the rear. So when you are stuck in the mud, so you can tow in at the back to let the trailer out of the trouble. And also there is the exhaust for the Plateau version diesel heater here. And let's take a look at the chassis. We are using the independent suspension. You can see it very clearly. Also, the two connected water tank is in the underneath the trailer. So let's keep moving from this side. So let's take a whole picture from this angle. This is the very unique flat top. So let's take a look at this hatch. Let me open this for you. So at this hatch, the shore power is here, and the main power for the main power switch for whole camper, 240 MB gel battery. The extra international plug is here, this one, and the coolant meter. It can detect the abnormal problem for the battery and the solar panel on top of the roof. 3000 watt inverters here. So everything you check here. If anything have any problem, you can check and repair very easily here. So here you see this one. Actually, this is another one, secret lighter. So let's keep moving. All right, this is the 3 meter by 3 meter high density lino material side tent. It can cover the slide out kitchen area very easily. And here, this one is the amber night, but this one is the bright light, side light for the trailer. And we are using the double layer acrylic window, so you can adjust the height easily here. And the window is hollow, so if the rocks and some things scratch this, it won't break anyway. All right. So this is the introduction of this brand new flat top off-road trailer to the USA customer. Thank you for you guys watching. If you have any questions, we will reply to it anytime, and we are in the factory. If you have any request, and we will keep the innovation of our trailer to fulfill the customer's request. Thank you so much.